so I'm gonna jump right into this video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do your own individual lashes. So it's really easy, a DIY Monday tutorial for you guys. So you want to start off with a wet wipe. Mine's is kind of dusty because I cleaned my face earlier, and get all whatever mascara on your eyelids off. And then you're going to take a little brush. You can brush out your lashes so they're all nice and straight and even. And I am taking the Kiss Trio INV individual lashes along with the Kiss INV long lasting individual adhesive in the color black. It comes with this little glue pocket, which I thought was really cool. So you just pour a little bit in there. Don't mind, I missed it a little bit, but then you're gonna need some tweezers, and whatever ones work best for you. These silver ones were perfect for me, and yeah, you really just dip it in there, and you sit it right on your eyelid, a little under in the little pocket between your eyelid and eyelash. You don't want to put it on your eyelid. Mines are kind of sensitive, so the glue irritated my eyelid if I touched it. But when I put it in between the little pocket there, it worked better. It wasn't on my eyelash, so it's not gonna rip it off, and it's not irritating my eyelid. Something about this glue, it doesn't work good with my skin. And I've tried other types of individual lash glue, and it's just, this one is the best one for me. My eyes didn't water up, turn red, or get scratchy. So I'm just doing each side one and one, so that way I can have an even amount on each side. And I'm literally just filling it in as I go, taking a little bit and, filling it out. So you want to make sure as you're doing this, you're also using your spoolie and brushing it out to get all the little glue clumps out, which is why I prefer the black glue, because it doesn't dry clear and crusty like the clear glue that I've tried. It dries black, and if it's in between your lash and your eyelid, it's gonna be blending really nicely. And you can find this at your local beauty supply store. I think the 3 times the one trio lashes, I think these are a lot easier than the single ones that I've had. With the single ones, I found that made my eyelashes look too clumpy. Not to mention, these are the short lashes. I wanted to go for something that's more natural looking. It doesn't look exaggerated, but still gives me a good look. And yeah, so I'm just filling it in as I go. And you don't need that many, which is perfect. Like you don't use the entire tray. You use at least 2.5 rows from this tray, which is perfect. I loved how it came out, and I think it's perfect for anyone who is interested in doing lashes, doing their own individual lashes, and saving money. Like, this only cost me $4. $4 for the glue and the lashes. Like, the fact that you can go and get them done, and you spend like $80 to $100 to get them done, and you can do it yourself at home for under $5, you guys. Okay, queens need to save money too, okay? We not all balling, okay? I am balling on a budget. So I also want to point out that I did this whole thing without makeup on. I wanted to make sure I loved how it looked without having my face beat, because I know whenever you do your makeup and you add the lashes, it adds another unique look to your face. But I want to fall in love with this without having makeup on, and the natural look worked out perfectly. So here I'm just, filling it in, making sure it's even. And you can use your tweezer to measure it out. I took it and put it into my inner corners to make sure that the both sides are even, you know, the same amount of space on each side, because I didn't go all the way into my inner corner. I kind of went about a quarter of the way, and you can see I'm loving it here. I think it's bomb. And now I'm just brushing it out so it looks all nice and fluffy and full. It gives me a whole little natural look, like I was born like this. I just got it like that, you know. And here is the finished look, queens. Hope you guys enjoy it. Love you. Remember to never let anyone tip your crown.